Hello, my name is Avery with Online Income. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own business page on Facebook. Now there's two reasons, well there's more than two reasons, but I'm gonna give you two reasons why you want to make a business page if you're somebody that has a company or some type of brand. One is so you can keep your personal stuff personal and your business separated. Two is because with a personal account you can only reach 5,000 friends. You got a 5,000 friend maximum. Whereas if you have a business page, you don't have friends. You actually have people that like your page and they can follow it, and there's no limit on the amount of people that can do that. And I'm gonna throw in a third. Facebook has millions of viewers and you want to catch some of those eyes because that's going to increase your brand awareness. So not only am I going to show you how to make a new page on PC, but I'm going to show you how to make one on your phone as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right now I'm on my home page. I'm already signed in, and right now I want to go up to these three tabs. Right beside the home tab on the right is create. I want to go ahead and click on that, and right at the top it says page. Connect and share with customers or fans. I'm gonna click on that. Now I have two options. I got business or brand, or I got community or public figure. And because I want to build an online income page, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the business/brand. And I'm going to go ahead and put in online income. In the category, I'm going to go ahead and put video creator. Of course, whatever you are, you're going to put what you are. Common sense. All right, so right now I can go ahead and create. I can add a profile picture, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But you could skip it if you don't want to. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use what? Make money online. Now I can add a cover photo. Let's go ahead and add another one. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do the second one, I guess. Online income too. All right, make money online too. My bad. That's what it was. And now we have a profile picture. Don't have a cover. Where's the cover? But there's probably a reason why it might have been like too small or something like that, but whatever. As we can scroll down, we can see that it says, the highlighted area says, set up your page for success, invite your friends to like your page so they can help spread the word about your business. And right now I can go ahead and invite a few people right here, and I can go ahead and click on see all friends to invite all my friends. So yes, technically you can invite every single friend you got. And why not, right? I mean, let them do something to help you out, right? All right, so I have, okay, so this was the other one. So I didn't pop up here in the cover page. Well, whatever, it didn't. If you scroll down, you can see that I have, weirdly, a cover photo with my profile picture photo, which is perfectly fine. But there's lots of money in it though. You see all that money? Okay, going over to the left, I can see I got three tabs. I got home, I got videos, I got events. Right below all that, you see it says see more. So bam, you got more that pops up. You got shop, posts, about, community, photos. One more thing I would like to add is right below the online income name, you can see create page at username. Clicking on that, I can go ahead and create my own username. I'm just gonna put online income net. And it said online income network wasn't available, so I had to go with online income network 10, which sucks. Now it says you're all set. The username at online income network 10 has been created for online income network. It's now easier for people to find your page in search. People could also visit your page at Facebook.me/online income network 10 and send your page messages at m.me/online income network 10. Okay. And now you can see at the top, it also says facebook.com/online income network. And hey, look at that. My cover finally popped up. So now you know how to make a business page on Facebook. But what if you want to delete it? Well, let's go into settings. Let's scroll down almost at the bottom. You'll see it says remove page. You can go ahead and click on that. And then you see it says permanently delete online income network. I'll click on that and then just pop up. All I gotta do is press delete. And then there's no more page. But I'm not gonna do that. I wanna keep this page. And while I'm up here in the settings, while I'm not gonna show all this off because that would make this a little too long for me, I will say that if you have Instagram, you can go ahead and connect your Facebook page and your Instagram page to link both of your business accounts, which is cool. I'm gonna have to do that with this, just not right now. I'll do it later. So with that being said, I showed everything I wanted to show for the PC version of this. So now let's go ahead and switch over to the mobile. All right, it's pretty awkward holding the phone like this. Let me see if I can finish this as soon as possible. I'm signed in on my phone to Facebook, on the Facebook app. All the way over on the right, you got 3 lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And as you can see on the top, it says a rehearse, and then they got your 5 pages. I'm gonna go ahead and go there. And then at pages, right up the top, you say create. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Connect your audience with Facebook. Connect with your audience on Facebook. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I can go ahead and name my page. But since this is just a default page, I ain't really trying to mess with, I'm gonna just go ahead and put anything. Select the category for the page. Let's just do personal blog. And I can go ahead and click next. Add your website. I don't have a website when I add, but obviously you can go ahead and put one if you got one. Now I can go ahead and add another profile picture, which I don't feel like doing. And then I can add another cover photo, which I'm going to skip this time. And my new page is called Irrelevant. And now I can go ahead, create post, add a cover page, or do whatever. That's it. Same thing if you want to go and delete the page on your phone. Same way you do it online or on your PC rather. Go to general and go scroll down. And right here you see permanently delete. It says delete the page, same thing, blah 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 blah. But I'm actually going to go ahead. I'm going to delete this page. And now that was it. So when I go back to the 3 lines, I got 5 pages again, and I just got my 5. Well, I need to delete this one too, but I got my 5 pages right here, and that arid page is gone. So that's everything I wanted to show off for this video, but you might be thinking, what about the promote button that you didn't talk anything about? Well, that's for advertising. So if you want to learn how to advertise, you'll want to wait for another video to come out because I'm going to talk about that separately. Hopefully you liked the video, and if it was useful to you, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, check out some of my other videos that I already have out, and stay tuned for that video that's going to be coming very soon. Thanks for watching.